Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G51, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. Now for this, you will need to hold your power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, hold the power key and volume down at the same time. This will boot us into fastboot mode. There we go, and so we are now in fastboot mode, and from here using volume keys you want to select recovery mode, so it's visible right over here, and confirm it with power key. Now before we actually boot it into the recovery mode, we will first stop at the Android logo with no command. There we go, and to get past this you want to hold power key, press volume up, and there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. And just as before, you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now from here we can go back to Android, we can reboot to bootloader, we can enter fastboot mode, which will take us back, we can apply updates from SD card or ADB, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. Now there's not much more in here, so I'm gonna leave this mode by sticking with the first option, confirming it, and I'm gonna wait for the device to boot back up. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.